In this video, you'll learn how to set up shipping options in Square for your online store. First, scroll through your Performance section to identify key business areas. Then select the My Business menu to begin managing your store configurations. Next, use the search field to quickly locate specific sections and scroll through the available content until you find the settings options. Now, expand the settings. Then open Account Settings to access both security and fulfillment preferences. From here, select Sign in Security to review security settings and help keep your account protected. After securing your account, choose Fulfillment Methods and select the Shipment option to begin configuring how you'll deliver products to your customers. Now, enter and select order types, and update the profile name as needed. You can adjust these details to match your shipping preferences. Then, select the countries for shipping and click the Add button to include them in your profile. Start by creating your shipping profile and giving it a clear name. Choose the flat rate option if you want to set a consistent shipping fee. Now, customize the route names as needed and click Add to finalize your rates. Finish the process by creating your shipping rate profile, making sure your store is ready for orders using your chosen shipping rules. You've now configured your shipping options in Square.